Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 with 228 horsepower and 221 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. An almond beige MB text interior. The burl walnut wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of all season floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with memory seats, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls, command package with navigation, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center. The C-Class has 66,679 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.